12 major opposition parties have written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi demanding that the centre take immediate action to check the spread of COVID-19 in the country, which they called an apocalyptic human tragedy. The 8 measures they suggested included free vaccines, to stop to the work on the Central Vista project, repeal of farm laws, etc. We have repeatedly in the past drawn your attention independently and jointly to the various measures that are absolutely imperative for the central government to undertake and implement. Unfortunately, your government has either ignored or refused all these suggestions. This only compounded the situation to reach such an apocalyptic human tragedy, the letter read. The government today objected to the labeling of the B1617 COVID variant as the Indian variant, stressing that the word Indian was never used by the World Health Organization. WHO also tweeted that viruses or variants should not be identified by the names of countries they were found in. Several media reports have covered the news of WHO classifying B1617 as variant of global concern. Some of these reports have termed the B1617 variant of the coronavirus as an Indian variant. These media reports are without any basis and unfounded, said an official statement. This is to clarify that WHO has not associated the term Indian variant with the B1617 variant of coronavirus in its 32-page document. In fact, the word Indian has not been used in its report on the matter, said the government's rejoinder. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan on Wednesday said that 50 cases of black fungus, also known as mucormycosis, were reported among COVID-19 patients in Madhya Pradesh. Chauhan made the statement after chairing a high-level meeting in Bhopal on fresh challenges faced by COVID patients. The state government will roll out detailed protocols for black fungus and treatment will be done accordingly. Free treatment will be provided to economically weak patients, Chauhan said. According to health experts, the symptoms of mucormycosis include headache, fever, pain under the eyes, nasal or sinus congestion, and partial loss of vision. The Chief Minister said patients reporting such symptoms must come forward for treatment immediately. Supreme Court Judge Justice D.Y. Chandrachud has tested positive for COVID-19 on Wednesday. A staff member of the judge had been infected by the virus earlier. According to a report in Bar and Bench, the senior judge is recovering well. Justice Chandrachud, who heads the Supreme Court E-Committee, has been instrumental in ensuring that courts across the country function virtually during the COVID-19 pandemic. At present, he is heading the Apex Court bench, which is hearing suo motu case concerning the pandemic. He had last heard the case on Monday via video conference when it was deferred to Thursday due to technical glitches. The case will not be heard on Thursday now. In April, 4 judges of the Supreme Court had tested positive for COVID-19, with one of the judges being admitted to hospital for a few days. The Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, has suspended a teacher who had abused the SC/ST students in an online class. An inquiry set up against the teacher has found her guilty. The IIT Kharagpur Registrar Tamalnath said Seema Singh has been suspended after getting the report of the fact-finding committee. She will resume only after further orders are issued. The inquiry will follow after this suspension as per the procedures. Singh had abused students and their parents in an online class. Some students had recorded the incident and uploaded the same online. The video had gone viral and the institute faced a lot of flack. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.